rundown of all the shoes that I have, because this is ridiculous, because we only here for less than a week, but it's the outfit changes for me. My mother just gifted me these. I bought these as part of my birthday outfits. She gave me these as well. I brung these. That's for the wedding. She gave me those. Wore those to the airport. She gave me these. And then I brung these too, because these are my favorites. Y'all know I had to bring these. So yeah, I got more shoes than days I'm here. And then I didn't even notice this. How am I giving a tour? Don't even know about everything. You would have thought we lived here, but it's okay. This is not a house tour. I love it. So it's still my birthday. It's still the same time. I changed my damn clothes and said I'm about to just go and smoke with AJ, since my sister went out to eat with her best friend. So AJ Hotel is right across the street from mine. So I'm about to walk over here, and me and AJ about to get her. And yeah, that's what we about to do. I'm about to see if she's outside her hotel, because we waiting now. Look at him. He's walking at me. Don't talk to me. I'm F-R-E-E for nigga free. We're in the Yams. I've never been. I've never been to the Yams. It's my birthday right now, and we're in the middle of the street. AJ scared to walk on the beach at night.
I'm not.
She gonna ask the police.
Nigga,
And then he said, yeah.
So you wanna go?
We can, let me show y'all the creepy beach.
He said, just stay on the boardwalk.
And we're gonna show you guys how black it is. And if we get snatched up, it'll be on camera. This video will be uploading.
I'm not going far. I just wanted to show you where the thing at.
This shit look nice.
Nigga said it's a dog in the car. My bad. That dog.
Sound like a couple of them.
That dog's ready to chew me up. That dog.
It looks nice. I changed my clothes. It's so damn hot and muggy. Makeup in the morning? Oh, makeup. I don't know how I feel about that. It's reminding me of Vegas all over again. I was barefaced the whole trip. Oh, this is a nice little... You might could take a picture or two. If we get snatched up, y'all, it was not my plan. Oh, it's nice. Oh, this is nice. Tiffany Haddish, a full moon. Oh, now this is perfect for pictures. If you had, did you bring your shit?
Oh, right on the, look, there's people on the beach.
Did you bring your thing?
My camera, absolutely not.
Oh, okay.
So when we walk on the beach, our shit is gonna be set up somewhere here or on the other one, and then over there is gonna be going to the reception. Right here, actually.
This looks nice.
Oh yeah, there's something you go in right there.
Okay.
This shit nice or whatever.
Period.
Ah!
This is going right in the video. Going right in. I'm outside smoking with Fred, sweating like a pig on live. Say hi to my vlog, y'all. Thank you. Hello. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link in the bio. It's my birthday. It's 2 a.m. We outside and I'm drinking water.
Sleep out.
It's AJ fighting for her life over here, for she flicked something else in my cup. At this point, the star of the show, y'all. Yes, friend. Dip that head. That boy was dipping his head. Yeah. every dance move with the dip. Ooh, the buildings look nice. This is a nice lighting, friend.
Period.
Ooh.
Got me with the do-rag on, Lord.
Period. They ain't. Oh.
I can't go live. I don't have enough. I don't have enough followers to go live.
Oh yeah, we We gotta get my friend friend 120. We had 190 viewers accounting. Tell me happy birthday, and everybody go subscribe to my YouTube channel as a birthday gift right now. Say hello to the vlog, cause y'all in here.
Like I said, he be dipping his head so hard.
All of y'all. Happy birthday, you rich brunette women. My love, if I were right there, I would go with you to make you rich. Make me rich. Make me rich. Make me rich. Make me rich. My AJ laughing at me on my birthday, guys.
Every day.
Good morning, beautiful people. It's officially my birthday. It is my birthday, May 19th, 10:01. So if you're watching this right now, make sure you comment down below and tell me happy birthday. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today, right now, I'm about to just wash my face and brush my teeth and get started for my day. I'm still in Miami right now. I just got up not too long ago. I don't know what the plans are for today. So we shall see what's in store. I really just want to do brunch, something with mimosas, take some pictures, and that's it. Because my outfit for the day is pretty cute. Pretty cute, but it's also dressy, and I don't want to wear it for no reason if we're not doing nothing. So it's like, let me know if I gotta take pictures and then take it right back home. Because I will. But yeah, I'm about to just wash my face. I was supposed to do a video, and I was gonna call it chapter 27. But I never did because I was rushing around to leave while I was still in New York. So I never had time to. But yeah, I woke up. I'm still feeling the same. But yeah, I don't feel any different except my interest. I'm interested in different things. I'm not interested in the same things I was interested before. That's like my main thing. Like transitioning into womanhood for real. When you hit that mark, when you actually start growing up for real, outside of just paying bills and stuff like that. Those are the moments I've been having. Like, dad, I'm getting old. Like, I'm almost 30. I'm almost 30.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Her.
It's crazy when you say it yourself. But I just want this year to be great. No distractions. I just want to be the best. I want to keep consistent on my channel like I've been doing. Because we're going to vibe with this year. And yeah. I'm about to just wash my face, brush my teeth. And I guess I'll come back to you guys when I start getting ready. Like straightening my hair. And doing my makeup and all that good stuff. Because I still don't know what the plan is. But I think I wanted to do my makeup so I don't be the last one ready. Because it takes me at least an hour to do my face. But we shall see. It's gonna be like 88 degrees today. So I really don't want to be melted. But in the meantime, in between time, since it's my birthday, so I'm just doing my hair and getting dressed. I'll show you guys my outfit in a few. I just threw this on because the outfit that I have planned is more for like the nighttime. So I'm probably gonna wear that a little bit later and just wear this today while we go to brunch really quick. So yeah, right now I'm just doing my eyebrows. Trying to make sure that they look as good as possible. I just did my eyebrows. I don't think I'm gonna do a full face right now. If anything, I'll do it later before we get on the boat, because right now it's too hot, too sunny. Ain't gonna work. And my lashes, these did not drop yet. This is a new sample. A new sample that y'all ain't getting yet. Make sure my eyelashes are looking top. I do look cute on camera. Final look. This is what I came up with. I'm about to run downstairs and go join the table at brunch with my Louis clutch, pink sunglasses. My damn.
We should go to the pool.
Ritzy ass here. Yeah, we can go by the pool.
Oh, first girl, yes. This foot, other foot.
Y'all niggas.
Yes, so.
Oh, thing 1 and thing 2.
Hey! Hey! Come on!
Kayla!
That's what you got it! But you did it! Hey, I'm not getting you in the water though. I might fuck
Get y'all asses in. Everybody. Looking like a boss ass bitch by the pool or whatever.
I want to swim.
Everybody say hi to my vlog.
See, I like it that way. That's the only one you gonna get.
Alicia, you gonna be in the vlog? Girl, say hi to my vlog. Say hey, girl, hey. It's too late. She was trying to hide from somebody's camera.
She said,
Let me find out that's her favorite thing to do. Is hiding from people's camera.
get the gang.
They actually give you a vodka or tequila option to put in your mouth.
You talking about Coach Tree, right?
Or what we just went.
Yeah.
But they have tequila. Look out here.
That's good then. That's worth the drink then.
It's worth paying for the
Yeah, the 24.
But they take so long to come back to the bar. Last time we went to.
I just put it on my phone. I'm gonna just insert it. So basically, brunch was a success. I'm lit. It's so hot though, so I don't know if I want to do a full face for my pictures. A full face of makeup, especially on the boat too. So I think I'm gonna just probably just touch my face up like this and just take pictures as is with the heels and everything. That's what I did last year when we was in Vegas. I didn't wear any makeup at all because it was like 90 degrees. But I'm lit and I'm back. I love mimosas. Oh, and they love me. Oh, let me get up here. But yeah, I'm back. I'm about to change clothes, put on my birthday outfit, take some pictures real quick, and then change back into the boat fit before we leave.
One eternity later.
My hair is mad fluffy, but I just changed into my birthday outfit real quick so I could take pictures before we go on this boat ride. I've been trying to vlog, but honestly, sis, it's just a lot going on. But let's get into the details. Here we go. But yeah, waiting for Asia to come downstairs so we can take these pictures real quick. And then I'm changing into this beta suit so we can get on this boat ride. Walk. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Period.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. I attempted to take pictures and I don't really like how any of them came out because my hair is so frizzy because of the weather. And yeah, so I'm about to just change into my boat outfit. I'll call it a day. Cause yeah. But this was cute while it lasted. So I just changed into what I'm going to wear on the boat. I just gotta put on my Louis belt. espadrilles. Looks real pool-esque. With this bag and my belt and these pink shades. I'm dressed for the boat. I'm about to put my elastic band on because with this heat, my wig, I'm having to fix it every time I come inside. But this is what it's given for the boat. Cute shorts, espadrilles, Louis Vuitton belt, a knit top, and then my Louis Vuitton clutch. Hello to the vlog. Gang, 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 gang. Period. Yeah, yeah. Get used to the fit. You gonna do TikToks before and after. Make your bitch sweat. Hold on.
It's 6 of us. And you can do an XL if but 6 of us
It's going right in the vlog. Fit check. Make your bitch.
Shake that shit. Oh, not yet. I can't. Did you order right? Did you order one? Okay.
Everybody. Nigga said everybody. Oh shit. Big one. You trying to play me? I was gonna say read the sign. I didn't see the sign.
You read the sign.
Nah, AJ, you're gonna be a meme tonight. Yeah, we making that tonight. I ain't even gonna wait to edit.
The Ferris wheel. I see the Ferris wheel from here. I was like, excuse me.
Lashes look on fleek from the sun.
One eternity later.
Fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't got to wait, man. That's what she was. And I'm. Not the little one.
And we outside.
A bunch of bad bitches. A bunch of bad bitches.
Hello.
Right in the vlog, period.
She wanna fuck you. She wanna fuck you.
Happy birthday!
I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last. You favor, and you're showing up, but it's alright. And you're showing up, but it's alright. And you really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas?
This is what
Breaking up, making up, stroke.